Hi, this is Todd at the floor of SOLIDWORKS World 2018. I'm here with Raphael at the 3D Systems booth. So, Raphael, tell us a little bit about the GeoMagic software, for GeoMagic for SOLIDWORks, right? And it's a plugin, so let you tell about it.
So this is our plugin for SolidWorks that allows you to bring in scan data and use that data to reverse engineer. Once you reverse engineer your product, you're able to do a deviation map that'll let you know where your part's deviating from the scan data. So we also have other solutions for inspection, a higher end reverse engineering product as well called DesignX.
Yeah.
So I mean, those are two solutions that you can use to bring in your scan data from any scanners really, but Artec specifically, we handle that data pretty well.
So folks that may have purchased an Artec scanner or that are looking at an Artec scanner, you got to do something with that data when you get it in, right?
Correct.
Okay, so you got that data from the scanner, it's fabulous.
Sure.
And then, so you're going to need to, like many people want to get feature-rich models out of that data. Is that where GeoMagics can come in?
Yeah, we give you the tools you need to basically fully reverse engineer a parametric model from scan data.
Okay, cool. And then the DesignX, let's see, so again, some of our clients don't have SolidWorks. They're using Artec scanners with other stuff. So I think DesignX is it's not a plugin for SolidWorks, it's a standalone?
That's a standalone product, and what's nice with that, it has a live transfer into SolidWorks, but if it works with Inventor, AutoCAD, there's easy ways to getting your fully reverse engineered scan data into any CAD package.
Awesome, awesome. So what would you say, is there anything that stands out really like the biggest strength with GeoMagic for SolidWorks?
Honestly, I don't think anyone competes with us on a reverse engineering standpoint with the ease of use and quality data you can put out.
And it's right inside SolidWorks as a plugin?
For a plugin, you have GeoMagic for SolidWorks, and then at the higher end you have DesignX, which is a standalone product.
Awesome. Thanks so much, man.
Yeah, my pleasure, guys. Have a good one.
You too.